Some players have been experiencing Roblox 524 error code and stating on screen, "Not authorized to join this game." This error code usually occurs when a player tries to connect to a VIP server without the invitation of that server, or there may be a connection issue from the player side. Many players find themselves getting stuck in this Roblox error. Server-side problems, improper permissions, and VPN use are some causes of this error. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Before following any methods and changing things on your computer, make sure you get an invite from a VIP member of that server to get into the game. If you are a VIP member, you will have to try connecting to another game to check if there isn't anything wrong with your network configurations. Method 1. Check server status. Sometimes Roblox servers face downtime, which is why the game shows you this error. To check the server status, you have to visit the official Roblox status website, and there you can search for Roblox server status. It will show you whether there is any issue with the server or not. If not, you should try to visit the Detector website and see if other users playing the game on the same platform as you are currently seeing the same error. If your investigation has revealed that the game developers are currently in the middle of mitigating server problems, just wait for a couple of hours before trying to launch the Roblox. In case this has not revealed any underlying server issue with the game, move down to the next method. Method 2. Make sure your account is not banned. There is a possibility that your account got banned by Roblox. There is nothing to worry about. If you didn't exploit any of their policies, you could contact their support and appeal for a ban revoked. Hopefully, they will help you with the account ban. Method 3. May server is full. There is also a chance that the server exceeded its player count, which is why you're not getting into the server. There isn't a solution for a fully packed server, except you can wait for some time and try again. Method 4. Use a VPN. Using a VPN might help solve this issue because it changes your location IP, which is going to the server, and changes it to another location IP. If the server is down in your area, it might get fixed by using a VPN with a location that doesn't have an issue. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. If any of these solutions haven't worked for you, you can try reinstalling the Roblox because there is a chance that your game files got corrupted and caused this issue.